Russia's TOS-1A thermobaric multiple rocket launcher has seen heavy losses in recent months. Many of these are contributed to Ukraine's drone army, as the system is very vulnerable for any sort of attack when loaded with rockets. FPV drones with shape-charged warheads works as the perfect weapon system against them. Also, as the FPV drones are cheap and the TOS-1A thermobaric multiple rocket launcher are expensive at $6.5 million each, as Russia has lost around 1/3 of their TOS fleet. Around half of these losses have been in the last 2 months, making the usage and deployment quickly unsustainable for Russia, which will need to decrease the usage soon, not to lose too many systems. While if they don't, the Ukrainian drone army will take out one after another, leaving less for each day. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.